Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to share a very tasty fish recipe, that is pomfret fry. The taste of a pomfret fry depends mainly on the marinade I am using here. I will marinate the fish twice. Now I am starting the first marination. For that I have taken 2 whole pomfret fish and make 3 slits on both sides of the fishes as shown. Next, I am putting half a teaspoon salt on each fish. Next goes half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Little black pepper. Rub it nicely on the fishes. Put the spices inside the slit also. Rub it well on both sides. Now rub 1 teaspoon vinegar on both sides of the fishes. Our first marination is complete. Keep it in rest for 15 minutes. Now start preparing the second marination. For that, make a paste of 1 small onion, 7 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chilli and few fresh coriander leaves. Take the paste in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder in it. Mix. Keep the paste aside. By this time, 15 minutes is over. Now take the fishes. Coat both sides of the fishes very well with the masala paste. Don't forget to put some masala paste inside the slits. Keep it in rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, mix 2 tablespoons besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons plain flour or maida and 1 tablespoon corn flour on a plate. Now take 1 fish. Remember to keep all the coating on the fish. Coat it well with flour mixture. Keep aside. Heat half cup mustard oil in a pan under low to medium heat. When the oil is smoky, place the fishes on the pan and shallow fry it under low flame until both the sides are golden and crisp. It will take around 7 to 8 minutes to completely fry one side. When one side is done, turn the fishes and fry the other side. When both the sides are done, take them out. Serve hot with tomato sauce and onion salad. For online product purchase links, please check the description box below. If you love this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to get regular updates like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it.